Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got something very unique. I can't believe I've never seen a radio like this, and it's got a very unique feature, which I'm going to show you in a second. But anyway, we've been having severe weather. We've had tornadoes, hurricanes, hailstorm, flooding all over the world. And what happens when you get bad weather like that? You lose power. It's happened to me. Last year I lost power for a week. And that means you could lose communications. And so you need an emergency radio. I've said this several times. You need an emergency radio. Well, I just got this radio. It's by Rychi, R-Y-C-H-I. And it's got a very unique feature. And I want to show it to you in a second. Anyway, here's the display, which I'm getting a lot of reflection, so it's hard to show you. And if the backlight comes on, like I think I can turn it on, changing the volume, it's super bright, and so my camera just can't adjust. I can get it at an angle, but it just can't adjust. So it's got a big, super display. It's digital, AM, FM, NOAA weather alerts, and it has two lights. It has a flashlight function, which is super bright. That's why I don't want to turn it on. And it has a reading light, big reading light here, which is also super bright. And you can adjust the brightness with this knob right here. Whoa, see? That's the lowest setting. So it's super bright. Let me turn that back off. It uses an 18650 rechargeable battery. And this one claims it's 4,000 milliamp hours. Maybe it's 2,000, but 2,000 is a lot. So they advertise it as 4,000. There's the carrying strap, which comes with a whopping, wow, compass. I'm not sure. Yeah, I guess if you took this camping, yeah, a compass might come in handy. Here's the controls. We can have it flash SOS. We can have it do an alarm. So if you're buried in rubble, people can hear you. Over here, we have controls for the radio. You can choose the band over here, and then you can have it tune over here. It will do an auto search for a station. Volume controls here on the end. No MP3 player. There's the crank, so you can use that to charge the internal battery. And then under here, there we go. We have the small Type-C charging port, and it comes with a very short cable. And then we have two outputs, so that you can use to charge your cell phone or something else. Close that up so it's sealed. And then here on the end, we have a fan. Yep, a fan. Have you ever seen a portable radio or an emergency radio with a fan? And this is to cool you and not to cool the radio. So you push this button here. It's 3 speeds. It puts out adequate air if you just, have this right up against your face. That will cool you down. And then, if you close it, it shuts itself off, so it doesn't burn itself out. There's the telescopic antenna. This is very unique. And then, of course, bright orange, so you can easily find it. I think you should get you one of these for the upcoming weather conditions, because I've been reading that this year in the United States, the snowstorms, the ice storms, the sleet is going to be brutal, which means loss of power. So you need something like this to have the lights, have the NOAA weather, have the AM and FM, and have the recharge capability of your cell phone or other devices. Again, you can get this off of Amazon. I like this so well, I'm going to put it in my Amazon store. There's a link to my Amazon store below each video in the description. And I get a small commission if you buy some. And it's just a store page. It's Amazon. You're dealing with Amazon. There's no extra charges or anything. So much for the commercial. Have a great day. Bye-bye.